15 individuals from the Kuki community who have been imprisoned for an extended period in Manipur Central Jail SAJIWA were handed over to the Committee on Tribal Unity CoTU by the officer in charge of Saparbaina Police Station on May 9. According to a report obtained by SKTV News, the prisoners ranged in age from 20 to 46. Unfortunately, specific details regarding their initial imprisonment or the exact timing of their release on May 9 remains undisclosed. However, it was disclosed that their detention was linked to charges related under Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Act and Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Reliable sources indicated that among the 15 prisoners, some were released upon completing their convictions and many were granted bail. In the official handover and takeover agreement, the concerned court released the 15 individuals from Manipur Central Jail SAJIWA and were subsequently handed over to Chairman of CoTU Thanglen Kipgen by the officer in charge.